Hi, Room 8. We are going to review first about the coins that we've been learning about, and then I'm going to introduce to you dollar bills. So first, we want to remember that a quarter is worth 25 cents. Quarter is worth 25 cents. And then a dime is worth 10 cents. And then we have a nickel. That is worth 5 cents. And a penny. That is worth 1 cent. We've learned all 4 coins: quarter, dime, nickel, and penny. Hopefully you've been practicing how much each coin is worth. So the next thing we are going to learn are dollar bills. Now, dollar bills have a different kind of sign. We've been learning and using the C with a slash through it from the top to the bottom. That is a cent sign. Now, we are going to be using the dollar sign when it comes to bills. Here is what a $1 bill looks like. When we write it down using numbers, it'll look like this. $1. Here is the dollar sign. And if you notice, there's a little dot there. 1.00. That dot is called a decimal. A decimal. Here's the $1 bill. Here's the number 1, a dollar sign, decimal, and 2 zeros. These zeros would represent our cents. But we do not use this cent sign when we already have the dollar sign. So I'll just put this aside for right now. After our $1 bill, we have our $5 bill. The $5 bill will look like this. Here's the number 5 in each corner. Dollar sign, number 5, decimal with 0 cents. $5. Next, we have our $10 bill. Here's our dollar sign, 10 for $10. And then our decimal and 0 cents, $10. Next, we have our $20 bill. These bills are getting bigger and bigger. Here's our dollar sign, our number 20 for $20, and then our decimal and 0 cents. Can you guess what the next dollar bill is going to be worth? If you guessed 50, you are correct. $50 looks like this. Here's our dollar sign, the number 50, $50, decimal right here, and 0 cents, $50. And then we have one more dollar bill that we're going to look at, and it is, wow, the $100 bill. This is what a $100 bill would look like. Here's a dollar sign, the number 100, $100. Here's a decimal and 0 cents. Now that we know how to use the dollar sign, we are going to look at our coins one last time. We have the quarter, We have a dime. We have our nickel. And we have our penny. Okay, I'm going to lay out each coin next to its name. Here, we used the cent sign. 25 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, 1 cent. But now that we're moving into dollars, we want to use the dollar sign and a decimal. So a quarter would look like this. Decimal 25. That means 25 cents. Here is our dime. Our dime is worth decimal 10 cents. Then with our nickel would be decimal 0.5. That is 5 cents. And then with our penny, that would be worth decimal 0.1 penny. We're using our decimal now that we are working with dollar bills. We don't have a dollar sign here because I didn't show you, or it doesn't show that we have any dollar bills. Once we have dollar bills, then we can add in our dollar sign.